Welcome to the best picks. The best calligraphy ink is probably one of the most crucial elements for achieving the perfect calligraphy strokes, from the rich, deep blacks that add boldness to your lettering to the vibrant, saturated colors that bring your designs to life. The right ink can elevate your calligraphy to a whole new level of artistry. Choosing the right ink can be a game changer, impacting not only the visual appeal but also the overall writing experience, ensuring a smooth, consistent flow that allows your creativity to truly shine. Number 5. Winsor & Newton Calligraphy Ink. Experience the rich, deep tones of Winsor & Newton Calligraphy Ink. It's perfect for all your calligraphy needs, offering a smooth and consistent flow. This 30 ml bottle provides ample ink for your projects. It's the ideal size for both casual use and larger undertakings. It works beautifully with both dip pens and brushes, giving you the versatility to create a variety of styles and effects. The non-waterproof formula ensures a smooth, even flow, minimizing clogging and maximizing your creative potential. With its superior quality and ease of use, it's the perfect choice for both beginners and experienced calligraphers. Let your creativity flow. What we like? It ensures a smooth writing experience, perfect for beginners. Its non-waterproof nature makes it easy to correct mistakes. If you're starting out with calligraphy and need a reliable ink, this is a great choice. What people say. Good color as well, stains clothes easily. I hand-write letters to friends, family and pen pals using a dip ink pen. Having tried several other brands of ink, this one works well with all types of nibs. It is smooth and flows wonderfully. Definitely my go-to. The calligraphy community is a science. These guys got it down. Number 4. Speedball SB3132 Ink Kit. Unleash your creativity with this versatile ink kit, perfect for calligraphy, drawing, and more. It's filled with vibrant, high-quality inks that will bring your projects to life. Experience the richness of 10 super pigmented acrylic inks. These inks are formulated with the finest pigments for exceptional vibrancy and color. They are intermixable, waterproof, light-fast, acid-free, and archival, ensuring your artwork will last. Experiment with blending and creating unique shades. Ideal for calligraphy, drawing, stamping, and scrapbooking, it opens up a world of artistic possibilities. It's the perfect tool for various lettering and drawing techniques. This kit contains 10 12 ml tubes of vibrant acrylic inks in a range of colors, plus a convenient 8-inch palette with wells for mixing and rests for your tools. The included palette features 10 wells to hold your inks, along with rests for your pens and brushes, making your creative process easier and more organized. What we like? This kit offers a wide variety of colors to experiment with. The waterproof inks are perfect for creating lasting artwork. If you're looking for a diverse range of colors and a convenient palette, this is the one for you. What people say. The ink themselves are very well behaved, a touch runnier than standard Speedball black, so make sure you permit one drop to fall from the nib after dipping, and extremely saturated, lovely colors. The gold is a very yellow tone gold, but the shimmer content is spectacular. The jars seal well without much mess. Better than a standard 2-ounce Speedball bottle. And they are wide mouth, working very well with an oblique nib. Waterproofness is outstanding. Inks are all very well behaved and handle washes very nicely. Number 3. Hmayart MZ001 Sumi Ink. This is Hmayart MZ001 Sumi Ink, perfect for your Chinese calligraphy and painting needs. It's a traditional ink, made with high-quality pine soot, ready to use straight from the bottle. It's a time-honored formula, specially designed for traditional Chinese artwork. Experience the rich history and artistry with every stroke. This ink is made from premium pine soot, giving it a unique fragrance and deep black color. The quality is unmatched. Each bottle contains 250 milliliters, 8.8 ounces, of ink. Note that the bottle isn't completely full to prevent spills. It's specially formulated for optimal absorption on Xian paper, ensuring smooth and even strokes. Bring your artwork to life. No preparation needed. It's ready to use right out of the bottle, so you can start creating immediately. What we like? It offers an authentic experience for traditional Chinese or Japanese calligraphy. The large bottle ensures you have plenty of ink for your projects. If you appreciate traditional methods and need a large quantity of ink, this is ideal. What people say. Rich dark black and flows beautifully. I ordered this to use in my refillable brush pens while I learned brush pen calligraphy, and it's worked beautifully for that. The screw-down nozzle on this is a fantastic method that makes this almost impossible to spill, even when packed in my art bag for travel. The ink is very rich and black and a little goes a long way. It also makes great shades of gray. Number 2. Easyou Redstar Liquid Ink. Experience the rich tradition of Chinese and Japanese calligraphy with Easyou Redstar Liquid Ink. It's made from high-quality oil soot for a deep, lustrous black. This liquid ink is perfect for creating vivid layers on Xian paper. Its smooth consistency ensures effortless application. Made by Redstar Ink Mill, one of Anhui Province's most renowned ink makers, it's crafted using time-honored techniques. It produces a brilliant, deep black color with a subtle, pleasant fragrance. The ink's rich tones will bring your artwork to life. Whether you're a seasoned calligrapher or just starting out, it's the ideal choice for both calligraphy and brush painting. Enjoy the smooth flow and vibrant results. Each bottle contains 180 milliliters, 6.35 ounces, of high-quality ink, providing ample supply for your creative pursuits. Note that the displayed plate is for color indication only and not included. What we like. It produces a rich, deep black color perfect for creating dramatic effects. Made with traditional methods, it's a high-quality ink for serious calligraphers. If you value rich color and traditional craftsmanship, this is the perfect choice. Number 1. Calligraphy Ink Set. This vibrant ink set is perfect for all your calligraphy and art needs. It's made with safe, high-quality materials for brilliant, long-lasting color. The inks are made without animal products or harmful dispersing agents. Enjoy rich, vibrant colors without compromising safety. These inks flow smoothly and won't clog your pen. They're perfect for fountain pens, dip pens, and more. With 24 unique colors to choose from, including shimmering gold, you'll find the perfect shade for any project. Each bottle is filled with a beautiful gold powder. The bottles are designed with leak-proof gaskets, ensuring safe transport and preventing spills. Your inks will arrive safely and securely. This set makes a wonderful gift for artists, calligraphers, or anyone who appreciates beautiful writing and art. It's also a great addition to your own art supplies. What we like. This set provides a vast array of colors to express your creativity. The addition of gold powder adds a touch of elegance to your work. If you need a wide range of colors and enjoy experimenting, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The ink colors are vibrant, even the lighter ones like the pale pink. There's gold-colored sparkle powder in all the inks, all gold, none are silver, but it's subtle and adds just a little pizzazz. The color chart is the order of how the inks were packaged in the box. The bottles are actually extremely well thought out. The type of rubber stopper they chose not only will keep the inks from drying out unlike some of the Winsor Newton and Speedball bottles, but is designed to help prevent messes when opening closing the bottles, if you know the technique. Mixing one's own inks and using them to paint is not a common practice, but if you're like me and you want, exactly, the right color, this little set is perfect. The inks on their own are vibrant, but a bit transparent, which is why I recommend using them to color a thicker base ink. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.